I'm Maya Bankovich, and I'm a lifelong technology enthusiast from your age up to now, and a lifelong learner. I have coached, mentored, managed many young people at the start of their technology journeys in industry, in consulting, building apps, but also serving clients and thinking about the problems that they are going to solve at work. This is a great initiative and really a fantastic opportunity to greet today over 100 of you. You will have a once-in-a-lifetime chance to explore, learn, reflect, and create your own AI story at this very juncture in your young age this week. This may be just the spark that will light up the fire of your future career. Keep that in mind. Now, what would you like to take forward from this week? And what will your impact be? With your friends, with your family, with your school, with your community where you're coming from? This year's UN theme, The Planet in Balance and Climate Action, represents our North Star. Now, AI can mean a lot of things for this topic. In all of its shapes and forms, it can do a lot about analyzing the data that you will find from multiple sources. You may uncover dependencies amongst previously completely unrelated data and create powerful visualizations. As we all know, a picture says 1,000 words. And that is all very useful, great, very much needed. However, this week is also about you and your development of other skills rather than writing apps. You will develop critical thinking. You will develop system thinking skills. You will communicate complex messages and ideas. You will collaborate in an additive way where one and one will become three or four. And changing the world in also an incremental and non-technical way. As important as AI is and apps are, it's also the non-tech and the incremental that are probably even more important paired with that. So choose topics and subtopics you're passionate about and think wider than creating and then presenting the app. Whatever topic you go for in this week, I would really encourage you to think about 3 dimensions. What will the impact be on communities near and far, and communities you may never have encountered? For instance, what may look very good in creating an app or an alternative to fish consumption may mean reduced livelihood and reduced source of income for fishing communities somewhere around the globe. 2, data and responsible and ethical use of it. We all know that data is precious, so how do you treat all sources of data with rigor, with care, and ensuring that it's secure and used ethically, first and foremost? And ethical will mean very different things in different contexts, and you're here to learn about all of them. And 3, what will the long-term impact be of you being here? Building beyond the week, beyond the month, beyond the year's horizon. How will your actions today work on products to create the basis for bigger, further reaching, and more effective technologies of tomorrow? But also, how will you create the long-term impact in the groups that you're going to collaborate? When this week is gone, will you keep that? Will you keep the global, international spirit that we will have this week in this accelerator? Now, the world is going through a prolonged inflection point. There are a lot of situations, political, economical tensions in the world, and weeks like this are your chance to immerse yourself completely in the problems, but also in the solutions of tomorrow. I wish you all an open mind and a productive, a fun week ahead. Thank you very much.